Want new decorations but also save money and reduce environmental waste? Let's reuse and revamp. What you will need is paint, glitter, glue, a brush, old decorations, tassels, and paper to catch any falling glitter. I'm using gold paint, but use whatever color palette you want. Do an even coat all over. If you're using glitter, then hand painting is fine, but I would suggest spray paint for a smooth finish if you prefer to skip the glitter altogether. To stand the decorations up while waiting to dry, I use Play-Doh, but you can put them in anything squishy. Do your other decorations while drying. Once dry, do another coat and then leave to dry. Check if your DIY is dry. Now it's time to glitterify. Coat your decoration with glue, not so much that it will drip, but enough to cover the entire surface. Now sprinkle on the sparkle, glamour and glitter. Use lots and ensure there is paper underneath because we don't want any to go to waste. Once finished with the glitter, sweep up and tap the glitter to the middle of the paper and funnel back into the container. To add a layer of protection and reduce glitter falling everywhere, use a clear coat over the glitter. Once dry, it is now time to add our tassel, the shimmery tail, to our star. Oh, she is looking gorgeous. Now she is ready to hang on the tree. I found 2 more stars, so I did white iridescent ones following the same steps. If you don't have stars, baubles work just as well for this. It's not like stars are actually star-shaped. I have more DIY Christmas decorations coming your way, so subscribe, and I will see you next week. Remember, you're an amazing, unique human, and you are so special. Bye!